Hello friends, now I am going to show you how to use the AI powered translator or the app module of Sulabh app 2.0. This is a student called Anvita who has access to both the activity based learning module and the AI powered translator module. So she first logs in to the app. Checks the password is correct and then logs in. After logging in, she will see three modules here: activity based learning module, AI powered translator and Sulabh app 1.0. So we have already seen activity based learning module in the previous demo. So now we are referring to the AI powered translator, which is called the apt module, where Anvita can now speak in her language or enter any text in her language and get the output in English, any other language. So we'll see how it works. On clicking the AI powered translator module, she will be directed to the Bhashini app. Now in the Bhashini app, all that she has to do is click on any of the four options available to her. One is text to text, text to speech, speech to speech, or speech to text. Now let's try text to text. So Anvita wants to know in English a meaning of a sentence when she goes to a stationery shop and she wants to buy a pen. So she will choose the language as Kannada, the target language as English. Importantly, the model has to be selected. So it is better to select Bhashini AI for Bharat version 2, which is the latest language model. So after clicking this, now she has to enter the text. So this is the text that she has entered. Let's wait for the translation. Translation says, "Hello, I am Anvita, and what is the price of this pen?" To say something into the app and get the translation instantly in English for what she speaks in Kannada. So all that she has to do is click on this option here, speech to speech. Then she has to choose Kannada, which is her mother tongue, and then the target language, which is English. And she has to choose one of these models. So it's better to choose the first model, Bhashini AI for Bharat version 2. And here you can choose one of them, version 1.0. And here again, for the third model, it's better to choose version 2.0 as before. And now she has to say something in Kannada. She has gone to the stationery shop and wants to know the price of the pen by speaking in her mother tongue. As to now click on this microphone icon and speak in Kannada. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನ್ವಿತಾ. ಈ ಪೆನ್ನಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Hello, my name is Anvita. What is the price of this pen?
So she gets the translation in English. Hello, my name is Anvita. What is the price of this pen? In case has got the translation in English, assuming she goes to a stationery shop where the person in charge can understand English but not her mother tongue. So this is a very useful app for rural students who wish to learn English and also who wish to use this app by speaking in their local language and get it translated to English. So these are the two options which are extremely important or extremely useful to a student in rural area. One is the text to text that we have seen already, which converts text from Kannada to English text. And the next one is the speech to speech, where the student can speak in the local language and get the output in English. And it does not mean that the languages are restricted to just Kannada or English. The app supports many other Indian languages. So you can speak from one language, get the output in any language, not just English, but any other Indian language. So this is the beauty of the Bhashini app that is integrated with Sulabh 2.0. Thank you. Seen how the Bhashini app works for Kannada to English, text to text and speech to speech. Now we'll choose some other language. So let me choose another Indian language, Hindi. And let's choose the target language as English again, though there are so many other Indian languages available, but we'll choose English for the time being. And I'll enter the text now. But before entering the text, as I mentioned, the model has to be chosen. So I am very happy with the first model, which is Bhashini AI for Bharat version 2, which is the latest language model here. And then I'll enter the text. So it has instantly translated, which says, "My name is Arvind Kamath. I work for Sharda Educational Trust and I want the Sulabh app to reach every student in India." You can see the translation is almost perfect, except let's see how the speech to speech works from Hindi to English. So I'll choose Hindi as the source language and the target language as English. And these are the models that I'll choose. Bhashini AI for Bharat version 2. Here it will be version 1, and again I'll choose version 2 here, which is the latest language model. And for the voice type, I'll choose male. And then after clicking the microphone icon, let me start the speech. मेरा नाम अरविंद कामत है। मैं शारदा एजुकेशनल ट्रस्ट के लिए काम करता हूँ और मैं चाहता हूँ कि सुलभ ऐप भारत के हर छात्र तक पहुँचे।
My name is Arvind Kamath. I work for Sharda Educational Trust and I want Sulabh app to reach every student in India.
So this is the translation that we have got in English, which is almost perfect, I would say, without any grammatical mistake. So you can see how useful this app is for translating from a local language to English in case a student in Northern India wants to convert his text or his speech from Hindi to English. Thank you.